All right, kids, let's take a little bit of a look at the market here. Bullish rate hike. Why crypto spiked today in the face of bad news? Well, here's the deal, folks. This really wasn't bad news. We all knew that we were going to get a rate increase. We all knew the markets were basically ready for it. What markets don't like is uncertainty. And there was pretty much certainty that we were going to get a rate hike. So, what happens after the rate hike? We pretty much go bullish. We've actually been bullish for the last couple of days. Take a quick look at the markets here. Bitcoin is pushing $24,000. That's a pretty good pump. The question is, where will Bitcoin get rejected? I don't know. If I had to bet, very, very soon. Maybe we'll make it up to $24,000, $25,000, but I don't see us going much higher than that. Could be wrong, but I do see us reversing at some point in the next week. Top gainers, BNB pushing back up to 280. BNB is pretty much back where it was last week. Cardano over 50 cents. Cardano not doing the greatest, basically just hovering around 50 cents. I think people are still waiting for that Vasil hard fork, which some people have said is going to be delayed. I haven't found anything saying it's going to be delayed. I think it's still happening the end of July, which should be any day. If it doesn't happen, I don't think anybody cares because it's already delayed once. Solana up 14% over the last couple of days, doing very, very well for Solana. Like I said, Solana's a good pumper and a good dumper, so it's a pump and dump. Matic back over 93 cents. Matic is absolutely killing it. I guess I won't be getting my under 65-cent Matic, at least anytime soon. And where's my Theta? And Theta, $1.33. Okay, but I mean, Theta's been in the same range for a long time. So basically, we had the rate hike, which pretty much everybody expected, and the markets have basically already priced it in. Common sense, folks. But the crazy thing is, over 202 million in shorts, Bitcoin, Ethereum positions liquidated. People just can't help shorting. This is the dumb money, folks. The dumb money. And who is the dumb money? The people that are listening to these guys right here.
Have a Bybit account. I do think it's a good idea to sign up if you want to trade, of course. Like, it's up to you. If you're not trading, don't worry about it. But if you do want to trade, there's a $4,200 bonus.
No, there's not. There's a $4,200 bonus if you put in like $100,000 worth of Bitcoin that you have to leverage trade with. I hate these guys. You know, basically, I hate crypto banter even more than BitBoy Crypto. But this guy, this little kid right here, this is a kid. Why are people listening to a kid? This guy looks like my son. Would you listen to a 16-year-old kid tell you what to do? Everything this guy has said over the past 6 months has turned into a heaping pile of dog shit, and he's still promoting the freaking Bybit in the bear market. Oh, folks. Well, and look how many people are watching this crap. I don't know. You have to have dumb people in the market to make money, but this is all dumb people. Everybody watching this guy's show right here, this is all the dumb money. You ever wonder where the dumb money is, folks? This is it. 20,000 views, all dumb money. And because of that dumb money, people like you and me watching my channel, we're going to absolutely kill it in the bull market in 2022. And we're not going to be shorting because shorting is dumb. Shorting is how you lose all your money. It's a 50-50 bet. It's retarded. I'm sorry, it is. And you shouldn't long either. You just buy the dips and you hold until the next bull cycle. You sell in the bull cycle, and then you rinse and repeat. That's it, folks. It's very, very simple. Don't listen to the dumb money. Cardano Vasil hard fork upgrade to take place end of July. We already discussed that. I mean, it looks like it's still going to happen. I've been looking online. I looked on the Twitter. There's nothing that says it's going to be delayed. There are a few YouTubers that said it is going to be delayed. I really don't think it matters at this point. Once they delayed it last month, nobody cares anymore. So hopefully Bitcoin or Cardano gets a pump back up to 65 cents. That's what I want to see. I want to see Cardano back up to 65 cents. That's where I'm going to sell some of my Cardano. It might not get there. Really, the major mover right now is pretty much Bitcoin and some of these other altcoins like BNB. And Solana's been doing pretty good. But look for some of these other altcoins to run. Look at Litecoin, folks. A lot of people made fun of me about Litecoin, right? All you people who made fun of me on my comments about Litecoin, Litecoin's one of the top performers. That's what I said. Litecoin is a safe bet. It pumps hard once it hit the bottom. Litecoin's not going to go to $5,000 or $10,000, but it will be between $500 and $700 the next bull market. It's not going anywhere. It's a legacy coin. It was $45 last week. Now it's $62. I wish I had bought some, but I didn't because I was waiting for lower prices. But Yeah, folks, just remember when we get our next thump and Litecoin goes back down to $50, $40 or whatever it is, it's time to buy some. All right, folks, there's not too much going on. We had the rate hike. It was priced in. We're getting a little bit of a pump. We're getting some bullishness. I doubt it's going to last. We're in that recession, folks. We're in a recession. The housing market's about to tank. People don't have any money. I still think this is a dead cat bounce / relief rally. So basically, just if you're trading a little bit, do your thing right now if you're in profit. But just ride the wave right now and look for cheap prices. If you made some money, great, sell. But I don't trust this one bit. I'm not going to trust any of these rallies until we're closer to basically 2024, maybe mid-2023. If Bitcoin for some miracle pumps up to like $30,000, $35,000, I probably would turn bullish and basically think, well, maybe we do have another little bull run coming. Maybe the bull run's coming sooner. Maybe we're not going to do the 4-year cycles. But I think we're probably going to get rejected at between $24,000 and $25,000, and I think that's going to be it. But with that said, I'm not selling anything in my long-term bag. I'm keeping everything except for what my little trading bag on KuCoin that I trade in and out of every so often. My long-term bag, I'm just accumulating. I'm not selling really any of these pumps at all, okay? I'm basically just looking to buy cheap. Don't get distracted by these pumps. These pumps will pump. We're going to pump and dump for the next year, okay? That's what we're going to do. And then eventually we're just going to go bullish. And what's going to happen when we go bullish? I'll tell you, I've seen it a million times. When we get closer to that happening, we're going to have one of these pumps where Bitcoin was like at $17,000 and then it pumps up to 23, and everybody's going to start selling thinking we're going to dump because it's just your typical wave that Bitcoin's doing. It's pumping and dumping. But once we go into that bull market, we're not going to dump. We're just going to shoot right off to the moon. And that's not going to happen until next year. But a lot of people are going to get wrecked thinking that we're going to basically just dump. But once we get close to that happening, you have to be ready for that bull market. It could come at any moment. That's when you have to be looking at these pumps with like a magnifying glass and saying to yourself, okay, this might be it. This might be going into the bull market. Right now, it's okay to trade coming in and out of these pumps. Bitcoin pumps up to $25,000, taking profits, that's great. But you don't want to be doing any of that next year when we're closer to the halving, folks, because that's how you get wrecked. I've seen it a million times, including I made some bad trades last bull market getting close to the halving. Anyway, that's it. Like and subscribe, and I'll do another video tomorrow. That's Monitor the Markets.